Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Omar Pava, and in this opportunity, I'm talking about the ABS data and the ABS data policy of Malala Beltrán University. Okay. The first I'm talking about of the data of the university has of me, like my name, my email, my cell phone number, my address, my ID number, yes, or my cellular, yes. Also, they have any information about my family, like emergency contact, like my wife or my mom, in this case. Okay. The data policy of Malala Beltrán University. And the policy is on this link, and this policy is free for all people, yes, and for any person want see that, yes. So we can see this link. Okay, so the policy is that, and it have information very important for treatment of data, yes. That talking about general topics and that the university and how the university treatment the information of students and any people, yes. Okay, the link is that, yes, is a PDF file. Okay, and the privacy notice of data treatment policy, I think so, like exit, and I am accord with the data treatment policy of the Malala Beltrán University and read the policy. I agree with the terms. If you want to read a policy, please click here. So this part of the text has a link, and this part also has link. This notice is on the different forms of the website of Malala Beltrán University. And that's it, classmates and teacher. Have a nice day. See you then.